Hi, welcome to Reelo. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to walk you through how you can use Reelo and make the best out of it. So, in a nutshell, you can have a lot of POS integration with Reelo. You can have your own custom loyalty program set up. You can also get customer feedback. You can run various promotional campaigns using Reelo. And also, you can automate these marketing campaigns. You will also get a beautiful customer and business insights in the Reelo. So let's see how each of these modules work in Reelo. Let's get started. So once you have successfully created an account with Reelo and have logged into your account, you will be put to 14 days trial. In this 14 days trial, you can use all the features that are there in the Reelo to its best. So you begin with first adding customers into Reelo. Now adding customers is Reelo is really important because based on your customer data, it will give you insights. You can run loyalties and campaigns and get feedback. So there are two ways you can add customers in Reelo. Either you can import customers or use cashier portal, or you can simply integrate one of the POS that you're using with Reelo. So for example, if I want to connect with Paid Puja, I click on Paid Puja option and I copy this key. I will follow all of these steps and then complete this integration. So with this integration, every time a new customer is getting added in Paid Puja or a new purchase is happening, the information will automatically get sent to Reelo. So let's move forward to the next one. Now that you have customers data in place and you have integrated your POS or have imported customers, you can now set up a loyalty for your customers. So there are three types of loyalty that you can create using Reelo. Please make sure that whatever loyalty you choose for the first time will stay as it is and you cannot change your loyalty type after one is created. So you can see how each of these loyalty works over here. Now cashback is when a customer has made a purchase and get the cashback that can be redeemed in the next purchase. The second option is an amount spent where customer gets some points for every amount that they spent and accordingly based on what stage they are, they get a reward. Similarly, you have a visit made loyalty type where based on every visit, customer get points and based on the stage they are in, they get a reward. So for this demo, I'm going to go ahead with the cashback. You can choose whatever works best for your business. So let's get started by choosing cashback as the loyalty type and customizing this. Here's a quick preview of how the loyalty would work. Let me just click on edit loyalty. Now over here, you can change your logo. You can also change the theme. You can also change the pictures. You can customize all of these information based on your business requirements. You can change how much you want to give to the user. So you can stick with 15% or you can change it to 10 or 20, whatever works for your business. You can set up a detail as to do you need a minimum purchase for this cashback, and you can also set up different terms and conditions that are suitable to your business. You go next and then you can give bonuses for customers to give you profile information. You can also set up cashback reminders and cashback expiry reminders. You can also choose the channel of communication for your customer. Here you can see quick previews of all the channels. So how an SMS will look like, how the email will look like, how the WhatsApp will look like. So you can choose whatever channels works best for you. Our suggestion is that if you are selecting WhatsApp, avoid selecting SMS because WhatsApp would have a more reachability. And once you are done and happy with your loyalty creation, you can test this in your own number and see how it will work. And once that is done, you will have a quick preview of how your loyalty will look like. You can just click on activate and your loyalty is activated. So now every time a customer makes a purchase, a loyalty communication will be sent to your customers. You can also download the loyalty creative. The best practice is that people download this creative and put it in their store so that the customers are aware about the active loyalty program that you're running. Moving forward, let's see how campaign works in Reelo. Now, setting up a campaign is really simple. You can select a template, customize that template, and send it to your audience. When you come to campaign library, there are various objectives that you can choose from. And under each objectives, there are four types of rewards that you can set a campaign for. One is no discount, where you just want to talk about something exciting, something new that is happening in your store. Second is when you want to offer free items to your customers. Third is when you want to give them some rupee discount that they can come and redeem in the next purchase. And fourth is a percentage discount. Now let's just try creating one campaign for reference. So let me select this one, which is a 25% off. Now this is the preview of how a campaign creative will look like. And this is the message that it will go. And this is an email as how the campaign will look like in an email. Let's just click on customize and send. Over here, I can change the logo. I can also change the banner image or upload any custom image. I can also change the theme and the font color if I wish to. Then I can also change the reward type. If I don't want to give 25% off, I can just select this as 20% off. I can select if this has to be on the entire purchase or on a specific purchase. Now, if my POS is integrated with this one, then automatically the POS menu will populate over here. I can change campaign titles, subtitles, email, subject lines, and also add some terms and conditions over here. Now, once we have customized the entire campaign, I go to SMS preview. Now, in SMS preview, everything which is in white is a non-changeable text. Now, these texts are already approved in the DLT portal, so you can just send this out immediately. You can change the text as per your requirement. You can add a custom link if needed. Then you go and select an audience. Over here, you will have three options. Either you can send it to all customer, you can send to a targeted customer from a list here, or you can send it based on a specific criteria that you have. So you can filter out the customer whom you want to send this campaign. We go to next. You can select the channels if you want to send an SMS or an email or both. And then you can select the time. So at what time do you want this campaign to be sent? If you want to send it now, you just send the campaign. Or if you want to schedule it for later, you can do that as well. Let me just select this for later. Let me send it next week in the morning, say 8 o'clock in the morning, and I will send this campaign. So it will show you how many SMS credit will be utilized by sending this campaign. So right now I have 4 customers, so 4 credits will be used, and I have scheduled it. For now, I'm just continuing without testing, and my campaign is scheduled. Going home, there's also one way that you can set up a campaign. So if you don't want to select any of these templates, you can also go here and start sending a campaign. Remember, you need to get the SMS copy approved in your DLT portal by yourself. Moving forward, Reelo also have a wonderful feature where you can get customer feedback. So let's see how you can set up a customer feedback. You click on the feedback option over here. It has an option where you can set up again the logo and the banner. You can decide if you want to reward your customers for giving feedback, so you can give them bonus points. You can add follow-up questions for negative and positive feedback both. You go next. You can choose the channel in which you want your customer to receive the feedback information. If you have loyalty activated, loyalty and feedback message can go together. You can decide if you want to send feedback as an external link, or if you have an in-store tablet, you can choose this option as well. Going next, you can also choose if a customer gives you a negative feedback, how you should get alerted. So you can add as many mobile number as you want, and you can choose the channel for that and take immediate actions. Going next, you can also increase your online presence. So once a customer gives you a positive feedback, they can also be prompted to leave a positive review on Google or Zomato or any other channel that you wish to. Once this is done, all you have to do is click on update and your feedback is activated. Going back, Reelo also have an option where you can automate some of your marketing campaign based on your objectives. For example, if today is some of your customers' birthday, it will automatically send campaigns. You can again click on any of these that you want to activate, customize it entirely, and then activate it. Now that you have activated all of these things, you can go and see customer insights. So Reelo give you interesting information about your customer, for example, unique and first-time customer, and a complete segmentation. So who are your lost customers, who are your promising customers, and based on these criteria, you can also send them a campaign so that you don't lose on your losing customers. You can see a detailed list over here. You can see the entire customer list over here, and you can see the customer journey from opening one of the customers and coming to the activity. So you'll see a complete detail about how the customer is performing for you. You can filter it out between campaign loyalty and feedback. Now that you have activated everything, let's go to Home tab and see some business insights that Reelo offer. So over here, it will give you a quick glance about what's happening in your business, what are the key highlights and total customer that you have. Then it will also tell you what are your credit balance. So it is important for you to refill the credits so that every communication can be sent on time. Over here, you can check the balances of each channel that you have. So for every communication, these credits are deducted from your account. Make sure that you have enough credits so that you have no hindrance in sending any of the loyalty campaigns feedback communication to your customers. It will also give you some top insights about your business, what time your customers are coming, how many times they're coming, what is the most ordered items in your account, or what is the most preferred purchases that they are doing. And along with that, for everything that you have activated, it will give you a quick snapshot over here. If you want to know more, you just have to click over here. It will take you to the loyalty performance screen. Over here, it will give you how much is your earning from loyalty and what are the redemptions. Similarly, for campaigns, it will tell you what all campaigns are working for you, what is the campaign redemption rate, and a complete list of all the campaigns that you have sent so far. For feedback, again, it will give you a complete analysis of how the feedback is working. It will also tell you how many Reelo assisted Google ratings or Zomato reviews have you gathered, and a complete details about what food is working for you, when are the customers coming, who are your happy customers, who are your sad customers, where are they coming to know about it. And if you want to see every feedback in detail, you can just click over here and you get a complete detail of your feedback over here. Some other settings that might come handy to you, you can just click on the profile. Over here, you can change any information about your account. If you have multiple stores, then you can create group stores in Reelo as well. Watch different videos that I have created, how you can go about with group stores. If you want to make any changes in your channels, you can do it from here. If you want to change your subscription plan, you can click over here. These are quick help options that will help you on the go. I hope this video was helpful in understanding what Reelo can do and how you can make the best out of it. If you have any questions or concerns, just reach out to us from any of these channels and we'll be there for you.